To buy bonds on Webull, start by opening the Webull app and logging into your account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free by providing some basic information and funding your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the name of the bond you are interested in or the type of bond you want to purchase, such as treasury bonds or corporate bonds. You can also browse through the various bond categories available on Webull, including government bonds, municipal bonds, and high-yield bonds. When you find a bond you are interested in, click on it to view its details, including its current price, yield, and maturity date. Make sure to review the bond's credit rating, as this will give you an idea of its risk level and potential return. To purchase a bond, click on the Buy button and enter the amount you want to invest. You can choose to buy a specific dollar amount of the bond or a specific number of bonds. Webull will then prompt you to confirm your order, so make sure to review the details carefully before submitting it. It is also important to consider the fees associated with buying bonds on Webull. Webull does not charge any commission fees for buying or selling bonds, but you may be subject to other fees, such as a small markup on the bond's price. Once you have purchased a bond, you can view its performance and track its value over time in the Webull app. You can also set up alerts and notifications to stay informed about any changes in the bond's price or credit rating. As a best practice, it is a good idea to diversify your bond portfolio by investing in a mix of different types of bonds, including government bonds, corporate bonds, and municipal bonds. This will help you spread out your risk and potentially increase your returns over time. By following these steps and considering these key concepts and best practices, you can easily buy bonds on Webull and start building a diversified investment portfolio.